So the MAID system in Canada, the evil system, the place where they trialed this way of getting everyone to want to die and legally help them die, has reached this point. Canada is killing people in assisted suicide the same day that they request it. The official report by the Chief Coroner of Ontario's Medical Assistance in Dying Deaths Review Committee, MDRC, highlighted that since 2023, 65 people in Ontario had their lives ended by the assisted suicide on the same day they made their request to do so. A further 154 had their lives ended the day after the request was made. No time to talk through, to counsel, to make sure you understand what you're requesting. You want to die? Cool, let's get it done. Evil wants to get our numbers down as fast as possible. The smaller the population group they're dealing with, the easier it is for them to control, number one. And number two, the devil hates us and wants us all dead.